What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are going to be trying something interesting. So I was on TikTok like I always am, and I saw someone do a new and improved pink drink, and I was like, I like the original pink drink, so I was like, why not try the new and improved one? So I'm kind of excited but kind of like weirded out by it. But someone said it tastes like a strawberry pina colada. So if you like pina coladas, this might be like a really good drink for you. So we're just gonna see how it goes. So I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous. Actually more nervous than excited. But if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go to Starbucks. So get a tall pink drink.
You said a tall pink drink?
Yes please, with a pump of the pineapple ginger syrup in there. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay guys, so we have the new and improved pink drink. So I got a size tall, so I got 1 pump of pineapple ginger syrup in here. So I'm kind of nervous because I had the pineapple ginger drink or whatever it's in, and I personally didn't think it was the best. So I don't know how well it's gonna taste in a pink drink because the pink drink is pretty good. So if it ruins the pink drink, I'm gonna be sad. But let's try it. It's not bad. There's a light pineapple taste to it. Wait. The more I drink it, the better it gets. Oh my god, that's actually really good. It tastes like a strawberry pina colada. That's really good. If you like pina coladas, you should try this because it's actually really good. I'm surprised. I thought I wasn't gonna like this, but I like pineapple, so like I was scared the ginger was gonna overpower, but honey, oh my god. I would actually get this again, and I think this was like $3. I think it was like $3 or something like that. But it's so good. If you guys like pina colada, if you want to try strawberry pina colada, this is literally the drink for you. You should try this. It's freaking amazing. I'm actually surprised. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10, hand recommend, because it's really good. It's not bad at all. I'm obsessed. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you go and try it because I want to know your thoughts on it. I think it's fantastic. So good. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.